So welcome guys to this training. And today we'll be kicking off with the first phase of the training, which is about creating video ads using Canva. And first we'll be installing Canva on our phone. So let's start. And by the way, my name is Samson. I'll be taking you guys through this course on creating video ads using Canva. So let's start. So the first thing we have to do is to go to Play Store on our mobile phone. So you go to Play Store, you can see Play Store. So you wait for it to load. Now on Play Store, you type Canva, that is C-A-M-V-A. So it's going to bring out the app for you. So you can see it's 11 MB and you can see 14 million reviews. One way you can know is the originality of an app is by looking at the review and the amount of downloads. So this is the original version of the Canva app. So it's about 11 MB and I do hope your phone can be able to take it. So you click on the installation button here. So it's going to start the installation process in a few minutes. So now it's downloading the Canva. So after downloading, it's going to install. So let's say in the next 1 to 2 minutes we'll be done installing. So the installation process has begun. In a few seconds it will be installed on our mobile phones and we can use Canva. So installation is complete. Once we are done, we can decide to open it, but our next lesson will be running the Canva app. So after the installation, you can close your Play Store. So you can see the Canva app is located on our home page on our mobile phone. So this is where you can run the Canva. So we'll be taking off from here in our next lesson. That will be focusing on how to navigating through the Canva interface and setting up our page layout for video ads. So see you guys in the next class.